Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute shark.
Let's start drawing.
I draw the shape of its head, the cute eye, and its mouth, big pointy teeth. Let's continue drawing its body, the fin on its back, and its fins down here. Now let's draw its tail, then its nose. Now I'll draw the bottom of the sea. Great!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's start with gray. Then light brown. Finally, I colored the water with blue. And I draw wavy lines with this blue marker. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.